Hi everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. I hope you all are doing great and making profits. Today we are going to see what is an uptrend. In an uptrend, a particular stock or index is going in the upward direction, but some people think if a market is an uptrend, it is moving like this. But that is not the case. If market will move like a straight line, everyone would make money, isn't it? So how to identify an uptrend? We'll see in the charts also, but before moving to the charts, let's understand what is the basic idea behind an uptrend. So whenever a price is going little high, it will come little low as well. Then again, it will go little high, it will go little low, then again it will go little high, then again it will go little low, then again it will go little high. Okay. So if you see, each high is higher than the previous high. What it means? So if you see, this was high and this was also high. High means basically it is higher than the previous price. So if you compare this high, it is higher than the previous price, or we can say previous highest point, right? This high is higher than the previous high. So can I mark each high as higher high, just to make it simple? HH means higher high. Okay. And if you see low as well, this is the low, but it is higher low. Why it is higher low? Because if we compare this low price and this low price, this low price is higher than the previous low price. So this low is higher than the previous low. This low is higher than the previous low. This low is the higher low than the previous low. So can I mark this as well? Higher low. HL means higher low. Higher low. So always remember, if a market is an uptrend, it will not move like this. It will go like this. It will make a high, then it will come little low, come little down, and it will make a higher low, and again it will go up, and again it will make higher low, and it will go up, it will make higher low. Why this is higher high? Because it is higher than the previous high. This high is higher than the previous high. And why this is higher low? Because this low is higher than the previous low. Now let's see the charts. So this is the Nifty 50 index. Okay. Can we mark like from this point, to this was high, then again it was higher low, it was high, it was higher low, it was high, it was high low, like this. So if you see this, we can say each point is higher than the previous. Each high is higher than the previous high, right? This is higher high, this is higher high, this is higher high. Nothing complicated. This is higher low, this is higher low. Why? Because each low is higher than the previous low. This low is higher than the previous low. And quickly I'll mark the other one as well. So how to make money in this trending market? So if we go for a simplest approach, the approach is to buy the higher lows. So whenever a stock is making higher low and it is going up after that, for example, after this candle, if you take the entry and hold it till the higher high, you will have 13%, but nobody knows when it will make higher high. But even if you hold 2-3 candles before, it will give 10% return. If you made entry over here after this green candle here, you will have like around 15 to 16% of return in just matter of 42 days. Isn't it great? Because most of the mutual fund gives yearly return in 12 to 15%. If it is very good, 20%. But if you're getting for return of 15% in 42 days, it is pretty good, isn't it? Now, if you see this chart, Infosys chart, again we can quickly mark. This was high, this was higher low, this was higher high, this was higher low, this was high, this was higher low, like this. And where to make entries? In the dips. So from, if you made entry, if you have taken entry here and stop loss, we're not focusing on the stop loss right now, we are focusing on the trend. So see, 20% return, isn't it great? If we see from here to here, 20% return in just matter of 55 days. So the basic idea to take the entries at the dips, which is higher lows, and ride the trend till it make higher highs or before few candles, because nobody knows like when the higher high will come and again it will start going little down. So only this trend is not enough. We have to also make proper risk management and stop loss to avoid losing money in the market. But this is the basic idea behind the trend, or we can say uptrend. So we'll see other trends as well in the upcoming videos. Till then, please like and subscribe and keep making profits. Thank you. Bye bye.